they are living that silo world where they have the ERP system, the PLM system, they have data everywhere, and maybe they even have some file servers, some shares. There can be a lot of silos in that kind of world, and that's every time that you're going between these silos, you kind of lose a little bit, or you have some manual handling, and that's where things can go wrong. And I think that's one of the huge thing that Bell was achieving, was to get really one single source of truth, not
Mm,
having two independent systems where they had to manage the data and the same data entry all the time,
hmm
and and really also getting errors on the way, because everything that you have a human error factor in each of these data transfer between the systems,
hmm
and it's time consuming, right? They spend a lot of time on maintaining it.
hmm
That's the only way they can maintain it, is a lot of quality
hmm
checks and so forth. But that's also a big cost for the company
hmm
to really do that.
hmm
And that was really what we provided, was kind of get these groups of people together, and not
hmm
having the silos.
Well, what you're describing to me is this human behavior. We go in and we work for a department. We go in and we have a function, and we have these functional silos, and this is our tribe. We're engineering, we're operations, we're quality. In a poor culture, poor company culture, there might be a little bit of competitive nature, okay, or a little bit of protectionism. Okay, but the
Hmm.
real culture that
Exactly.
we want is to break down the silos, break down the interdepartmental walls. Okay, become one company, work together in a smooth and hopefully seamless way to realize the same result in the end, but using our own respective expertise to based on where we come from. And what you're saying is it enables that. It enables the
Exactly.
breakdown of the silos. It enables more than just getting the engineering quality operations portion of it done. What you're talking about is actually facilitating an improved culture at a much higher
Mhm.
level. I mean, that's a grand vision. I want to believe me. I want to get back to the engineering quality and operations portion. But when you break down those silos, it actually can really enable a company to find a new way to operate beyond just the functional.